Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to put WordPress on your IONOS space yourself using the easy method. This is a great way to get your website ready for the world to see. Let's get into it. First, get the WordPress files. The first step is to go and get the main folder that holds everything your website needs to run. You need to have these files on your own computer first. Go to the main WordPress website and click the big button to download the folder. Wait for the folder to finish coming to your computer and then open it up. These files are the building blocks of your project, and you need to have them ready to move to your online storage. Next, make a new database. You need to create a special spot in your account where the computer can store all your notes, posts, and settings. Sign in to your IONOS account and look for the section that says Databases for the task. Click the button to make a new one and write down the secret name and password the computer gives you. Think of this like a digital notebook where your latest website keeps all its information. You must have this ready before you can finish the setup. Next, move your files online. Now, you are going to take the folder from your computer and put it into your online storage space so the internet can see it. Use your online file tool or a moving tool to pick all the WordPress files. If you have all the files ready, you can drag those files into the main folder of your IONOS hosting space. This is the most important part. By moving the files, you are putting your website on the internet. It is the key step to making your work visible to everyone. Lastly, finish the setup. The final step is to tell your new files how to talk to the digital notebook you made earlier so everything works together. Type your website name into your browser and follow the instructions on the screen. Type in the secret name and password for your database that you wrote down in step 2. This is the final step. Once you click the Finish button, your website is ready to use. Remember that you have to keep finding the right output for your design to make it look perfect. And that's pretty much it. To put WordPress on IONOS yourself, you must first get the WordPress files onto your computer. Once you have them, you make a new database in your account to store your information. Then, you move your files online to your storage space. Finally, you finish the setup by linking your files to your database. This straightforward plan makes sure your latest website projects are online and easy to build. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.